Today is our last full day in the camper van, and to be honest we have no idea what to do. We wanted to go to the Blue Mountains like yesterday, but as all the tracks are closed we don't have really an idea what to do today. But we're trying to make the most out of it. Alright, first up for today, Stanwell Tops Lookout. Wow. Okay, a few people around here. It is still the East Coast, but we are below Sydney as we already drove from Cairns to Sydney and we've seen the Blue Mountains and all tracks are closed. We decided to go a little bit further down and to enjoy this beautiful view right over here. And we also want to drive to the bridge right over there, but I mean, just check it out. Honey, we need to drive on this bridge. This looks crazy. Or not? Okay, let's go. Now trying to get a drone shot driving above the bridge. So Fabian is driving and I'm trying to fly the drone. Not quite sure if we get the shot because there's some rain coming. We did it quite a few times when we've been in the States, but the problem is like when Fabian is driving and I'm flying the drone sitting next to her, it is not that safe because we almost crashed the drone back in the USA and we're trying to avoid that this time. We're now trying to find a spot where she can drop me off, set up the drone, send it up to the air, and she's driving along the coast in one direction, coming back and pick me up. And while she's driving, I try to take a shot of driving the camper van along the coastline. I fantasize to have such a shot already in the beginning of our road trip, but I mean, I really want to get this shot at least once. And today is our last day, so... Whoa! This looks so cool! There's the bridge. Sea Cliff Bridge. Oh my god! Whoa! You know, and this is exactly what I mean. Driving here on the bridge, you can't really see the bridge, so you need to get a shot from... Here's the parking space. 100 meters on the left. Just park here. Yeah, just park here. Yeah, perfect, that's good. Okay, so the idea is now that she drops me off on the other side, where we just drove off, and turn around here. And there's the bridge. There's... Wow, this looks really cool. So I would say that you like driving back, and I will set up the drone here, send it up to the air, fly it back, and then fly with you. Okay, thank you. Okay, see you in a sec. Wish me luck. Another problem is that I'm not the only one who's flying a drone, so I need to be very careful here with the shot. He's coming back, honey. I would say let's start. Let's go. So we waited until he's finished, and now it seems like that there's raining. We need to be fast. Okay, you go. Okay, let's go. Okay, connecting. Everything is set.
Where is it? Have you lost it?
No, I got the drone. I'm waiting for my girlfriend because she's driving the camper van. I'm following her and I pretend I'm sitting in the van as well at the same time.
Oh,
so it's like a behind the scenes shot. Yeah.
Oh.
It's starting to rain. It's not good. Not good. Yes! Where is she? We got it! We got the shot! It started to rain, but the drone got slightly wet. Should be okay. It's still working though. We now headed back to the city. really is super difficult to find a parking spot with a camper van, so I'm gonna start waiting while I get water. Thank you. Black card. Thank you. Bye. Got a water. It must be here. Sydney Tourist Park. Oh yeah, reception here. Oh, there it is. Reception is currently unattended.
No ticket for you. There.
No, we haven't booked. We just wanted to ask now if anything is free. Guess I'm gonna call them now and ask if there's anything free. Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. The reception is unattended right now. We need to call them.
Welcome to Sydney Tourist Park. We are unable to take...
We wanted to stay here for tonight at the Sydney Tourist Park, but the reception is unattended right now and no one is answering our calls. So this is the only campground here which is close to the drop-off location of this camper. These are exactly the moments we really don't like about camping and caravanning. Because I mean, we really like to travel as spontaneous as possible, but it's not always possible. For example, right now the reception is unattended and it seems to be that this campground is fully booked, but we didn't know before that we want to stay here tonight. And okay, so we couldn't find any other campground for tonight, so we decided to drive to the campground where we spent the last 2 nights. I mean, it is for free. It is just another 1 hour and 9-minute drive to get there. Welcome back to Rawagamba. On our way home, we have seen the beautiful sunset behind Fabienne. It was really beautiful. And I would say, honey, let's have something special for dinner. What's about noodles?
No.
But we have only noodles left. First, we have to open the gas bottle. Ooh. Suck. Wow! Look at the sunset! It's crazy! That's our last evening in the camper van, honey. Woohoo! Can you remember 3 weeks ago when you started in Cairns? Mm-hmm. My God. Time is really running. Apart from the weather, we really had bad luck in the last couple of days. I would say that these days showed once again that it is really important to always be positive. And I mean, even if it was raining, there's one thing which is really important and which means to me a lot. On every single day, even if it was raining or I had headache or Fabienne felt bad, we laughed. And I think this is really the most important part about traveling. To enjoy, to be thankful and to embrace every single day. Smile. Honey, come on.
No, I don't want in the camera.
What?
I don't want in the camera.
This is exactly what I mean. Even if it was raining every single day, we had fun. And isn't that what is most important about traveling? See you in the next one.
Bye. See you in the next one.